Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by killing power at the breaker and confirming the unit is dead with a tester, so you won't short anything. Once safe, open the dishwasher door and support the inner door panel. You'll need access to the top edge screws. Remove the 4 to 6 screws around the inner door perimeter to expose the control assembly. Do this now so you can see the control board and wiring harness. Having a towel and small container for screws makes the next steps faster and safer. With the inner panel loosened, lift it just enough to access the control board and harness connector. You'll unclip the wiring harness tabs. Do this gently to avoid breaking plastic tabs. If connectors are tight, wiggle while pulling straight out. Make sure to label each connector or take a clear photo so you can reconnect correctly later. Next, remove the screws that mount the control module to the front panel and extract the old assembly carefully, keeping track of Install the replacement control assembly into the panel, aligning mounting holes and any insulating gaskets, then secure it with the original screws. Once mounted, reconnect each labeled wiring harness exactly as removed. Double-check connector seating and tab locks. Reposition the inner door panel and reinstall the perimeter screws. Restore power at the breaker and run a quick cycle or diagnostic mode to confirm functionality. If lights flash or codes appear, note the pattern. One common fix is reseating connectors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.